Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pasta dish with marinara sauce and cheese, step by step. First, let's get that pasta cooking. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, then add a generous pinch of salt. Carefully add 1 pound of your favorite pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente, which means firm to the bite. Once cooked, drain it well. Now, let's create that rich marinara sauce. In a separate pan, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. With your pasta cooked and sauce simmering, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the drained pasta directly into your marinara sauce. Stir gently to ensure every strand is beautifully coated with that rich, flavorful sauce. Now for the cheesy goodness. Fold in 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, mixing until it's perfectly melted and wonderfully incorporated throughout the dish. This creates a delightful, gooey texture. Your delicious homemade pasta with marinara and cheese is now ready to be served. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish each serving with a few fresh basil leaves. A sprinkle of 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese over the top adds another layer of savory flavor. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the cheese is perfectly melted. Enjoy every delightful bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.